Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this closure wig. This is originally water wave, but I went ahead and gave it a deeper wave by crimping it. We can get into that more in the video. It was initially a glueless install, but I just really can't stand my lace just lifting up. It's just not cute. So I sprayed a little gotta be on it, but this definitely did not need any gotta be. It was perfectly fine without it, but just me personally, I wasn't feeling it. So I added a little bit. I'm gonna still call this video a glueless install, because a glueless closure wig, because it is. And I'm also putting no gotta be in the title, maybe. I don't know yet. I might lie. But yeah, here's the look. So stay tuned and keep watching to see how I got these crimps and this install. Today's hair is from Yolissa Hair. It is a 6x6 closure wig and it was sent to me. It is, I believe, 6 inches, something like that. All the info will be in the description box. My lips look great. I will definitely be having a get ready with me up on this look. I'm not sure which one will come first. Whatever one comes first, there'll be a tag or whatever. So make sure if you want to know how I got this look, just check out my channel. If it's not there now, it'll be there in a few days. I don't know how my schedule works, so we're just gonna see when this goes up. But there is a video, period. So what I did to this hair so far is I crimped it, as you can kind of tell. I didn't do the front part because I like to frame my face with my closures and stuff. And I have my dookie braids and I'm ready to get started. I'm just going to use my edge booster to push back my edges. I gave myself for my video so I didn't look that bad. But it ain't no need for them now. So we're just going to go ahead and put them back. I will be recording a like a full, like this is underneath my wig and how I prep for my wigs, because I am going to start trying to take care of my hair. I'm tired of being bald headed and I would like to start wearing my hair in different styles. I miss wearing my curly hair. It looks so good. You know the routine. I'm going to go ahead and spray my even tinted lace spray in light warm brown really quick. And then I'm also going to cut the lace off of my head. And I'm just going to do, you know, the zigzaggy motion I always do. And then while I do that, you guys can go ahead and see how I got the crimps. Super easy. I'm not going to leave a lot of it in because it gets really repetitive, and I'm also going to do it on the camera as well. So just a little bit of how I got to this point. So go ahead and watch that. Those wig actually did come pre-plucked, but I went ahead and touched it up a little bit, and I also did bleach the knots. Here's the natural water wave state it came in. We're going to also look at it from farther away because I realized that video was terrible. So here it is from farther away. It's the natural water wave state. I just want to say, this wig had a smell. I'm not sure if it was error on my part, because I don't know, it had a smell. I just had to let y'all know that was the only con I had about this hair, is that it had a smell. So we can get into the next. I just had to tell you, this hair had a smell. It had a smell. It had my whole upstairs smelling like burnt hair, but I don't think it was fake or anything. I just think it just had a smell. Anyway, girl, back to this. I went ahead and flat ironed it once, just one pass, to get some of the texture out of the hair. And I'm just using my Revlon flat iron. I'm gonna see if I can finally find a link to it. I'm gonna start putting my links to things. I know I be saying it and I don't really be doing it, but now I mean it. I'm gonna be putting a link. There will be a link to this flat iron in the description box, or one similar to it if I can't find the exact one. But all I'm doing is just running a pass through the hair and just getting all the texture out so I can prepare to crimp. And when I get ready to crimp, I'm going to go ahead and spray some Gotta Be spray, and that's just going to hold the style and actually add some shine. This hair was so shiny because of that Gotta Be spray. It just makes everything. I love shiny hair. I'll go ahead and brush that through and then use my Wave Artist crimper from Bedhead, I believe, and I'll also have this linked as well. And this part is boring. Your arm is going to get tired. It's going to get heavy, you know. You're just standing there pushing it against it, and hopefully this 50-second clip is gonna make it seem like it's gonna go by fast. But baby, I crimped hair for 2 hours straight. I kid you not. So this hairstyle is dedicated. You gotta want it. But you can easily see how beautiful and shiny that crimp is looking. I'm gonna let you guys watch. It's really repetitive. All I'm gonna do is go ahead and each section, make sure it's an even section. I will comb it out. Then go ahead and flat iron it one pass, and then I will go ahead and begin crimping. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys sit through that, and I will see you guys when it's time for me to talk again. And finally, after slaving away for several hours, here's the final look. Let's get into this install. Yep, this is exactly what I wanted. And maybe even this will be a, I don't want to speak too soon, but a baby hairless look. I don't know. But I might have some on the side because that's the kind of bitch that I am. I do want to really point out really quick, this hair has a smell. And I don't know, a smelly smell. A smelly smell. You feel me? It got a smell. And I don't know if it's on my part, like I just didn't wash the hair good enough or something. I don't know. Because I do remember on the day that I washed this wig, I washed a lot of wigs. And I also bleached the knots on a lot of wigs. So maybe this one just got neglected in the process. Possibly. But this hair got a smelly smell. The hair itself, you know, you can't see too much of it now because I have all this hair covering it. But from what I've crimped, you can just see that it's really shiny and it looks really good. So maybe if you give it another wash. I'm sure there's another way to get rid of the smelly smell that I just haven't unlocked yet in my YouTube career. So if you know a way to get rid of smelly smells in hair, you know, it'll be just fine for you. I'm going to use the Easy Edge Coconut Oil Edge Control Stick, and I'm just going to make sure everything is flat. And then I also go along it with my hot comb. I get a lot of comments about my hot comb. I just found it at my local beauty supply store. It was like 25 bucks. It's better than getting the ones in like the plastic. Get an expensive hot comb. Or not expensive hot comb, but don't get the cheap hot comb, baby. It's not worth it. Just get the more expensive one. You're going to buy like 3 more of the cheap combs. You might as well just kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Buy the more expensive combs so you can buy less combs in the future. There's hair in my eye. Okay, so now that I've gathered all the hair that needs to be crimped, I'm going to go ahead and just throw the rest of it back. And we can comb through this. I'm going to go ahead and just run a flat iron through the hair. And I really don't even think I want it. I'll add some slight baby hairs on the side, but that's it. I think I really like how this is. And I really don't even want to add Gotta Be spray, because this just really could be a slide on, slide off wig. And I've never really had a slide on, slide off wig, so I'm very excited to see how this goes. So enough chit chat, let's get started. Alright, so my hair is all crimped and we're laid. And I decided not to add any baby hair because my hair just looked really good. And this is supposed to just be a throw-on wig, so I want it to be like throw-on ready. You know when you do baby hair, you have to just kind of fix them up when you're finished, but none of that for this. So here's the look, really like. And I do enjoy closures because if you're just a middle part girl, you know, you can just have your middle part. And if you want to see the makeup tutorial for this, go ahead and look on my channel. I really don't know what video is coming up first, but it'll be up soon. There's a video recorded on this makeup look. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed. See you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.